How to fix GCash can't open developer option at unknown source settings. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So if you are facing this problem on GCash, then make sure to follow these steps as the process is very easy and simple. Go ahead and open up your settings. Once you do that, go ahead and search for developer options. After that, navigate to it. Once you are there, go ahead and turn off the developer options. As soon as you do that, the problem will be fixed. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how to fix GCache can't open developer option at unknown source settings. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.